This looks like a perfect summer day as well.
Yes. Some changes are on the way, though, Ashley, because of some rain that we might get tonight, right?
Big changes on the way. We're going to start to cool things down, bring a more comfortable atmosphere. It will feel more like fall before fall arrives.
There we go.
Excellent.
Yeah, we like that. We've had a hot week so far. Hot tomorrow, and then the change comes as a cold front slides through. So that's the change we're looking forward to. Looking at the rain chance that we have today, isolated showers beginning to move in. This system bringing isolated downpours mainly south of Interstate 70. There we go. You can see south of Bloomington there, a shower for you. Linton, Indiana, south of you, pretty good showers. And Vincennes, heavy showers beginning to move in. Terre Haute, isolated downpours. The system looks stronger than it is. These storms are not severe. I'm not expecting them to become severe. As we look at the rain headed into Brazil, Indiana, that rain is light to moderate. Currently 89 degrees, and it feels like 93. It's September after all. When will we see the relief that we need? Southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's bringing, of course, the humidity our way. 89 feels like 93 at the moment. That'll change next hour. Here's the south flow becoming breezy in spots, as we were referring to. You'll see that coming out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's our wind tonight. As we get in on some thunderstorms, it's possible that winds pick up. Hour by hour we go, tracking the forecast for you on your Tuesday night. Isolated showers with us. You can see them pretty spotty, not widespread, which means not everyone getting in on the rain that we're seeing here. As we kind of look closer at Wednesday's system, Wednesday looks pretty active. Expecting the chance of strong to severe storms in the forecast for our Wednesday temperature trend. Well, we'll start your day at 71 for Indy. 70s pretty much all around, with the exception of numbers coming in at 72 for Evansville. These numbers, they are above average for an overnight low. We like our overnights or our early mornings to be in the 50s. That's September. As the system moves off from west to east across the state, this model is now saying that, hey, we are gaining strength as this system moves across the state. Fort Wayne, Muncie, Indianapolis, Columbus, all in the risk for isolated strong storms. If you were watching yesterday, then you know this is not what our severe threat looked like yesterday. It was actually the opposite. Most of the severe threat was sitting off to the west with less of a threat off to the east. Well, now we have changed that. We now see the threat greater for areas off to the east, and that's because we expect storms to move into the state and then gain strength as they move out. Damaging wind is our primary concern here for tomorrow. Let's look at the threat for tomorrow. Here we go. Tracking storms at 6 a.m. Showers and storms moving into the state. Heavy downpours of rain. This model saying that the activity will be mainly north of Interstate 70 with a few spotty showers south. This system stays with us on and off throughout the day on Wednesday. By Wednesday after sunset, it will begin to dry out. We'll see temperatures fall as cooler air settle in, and we'll settle in to that cooler, more comfortable fall-like forecast that we've been referring to. Numbers at 78 by noon tomorrow. We'll make it to around 86, feeling like the 90s. So it's pretty close to what you experienced today and even yesterday, although just slightly cooler. Humidity is still there, and a chance of showers and storms with us on and off throughout the day, but it gets better. We're going to settle into a 70-degree trend starting on Thursday at 76, 75 on Friday, and 77 on Saturday. Rain, not an issue. Circulus Digital Media 8-day forecast. Rain not an issue for us for most of this forecast after tomorrow, as we'll settle into a dry and comfortable pattern. As far as a big warm-up after tomorrow, I'm not really seeing that. It looks like they were finally settling in to a fall-like pattern.